Nikolai Solkochi out of Chicago, Illinois.
The guy's coming into this as a slap virgin. You know, I might have known someone that slapped a few people in beer gardens in England back in the day. Not me.
Let's go.
Yeah, I quit.
Wow. Sir, you're not forced.
Yes, I can.
Your sweet fresh bread, original bread. Your sweet fresh bread, but you buy bread. I'm a weary thief. What's that so? Tomaima! See, no worry. Give me 6 months. I go make money. I'll carry you to Lagos.
Now wow, sir. So after 4 years, you not come back or carry me like you promised.
Tomaima, no vex. I think say if I call Lagos, 6 months I go make am. I don't know say Lagos are like this, so but thank God say you don't make am.
Go and time to make you come also. One of your bread.
You big pass bread. No, they go.
But we go need like 2 at the come. So now bread they sell now.
Yeah, I tell you, see my daily bread though.
Francis, let's go. Hello, madam. Yes, I don't they come. I don't buy the bread now. They are carried. Would they look for now? Would they come, ma? Okay, ma.
God have mercy upon us.
Who be that?
Now my madam, would they eat bread and akara every Monday morning? Like she they call me whether I don't buy the things.
Yeah! Who you gonna be?
I be asking.
Are you playing?
Now ask you be.
Jesus.
Francis, stop this car!
So what's happen?
Thank God say we never even go for ourselves. Open your motor!
So what's happen?
Go and ask your grandfather.
Oh, they go. We'll keep the bread money.
Hey!
Yeah!
And they never leave.
I'm going higher, yes I am. I'm going higher someday.
I could have killed a lot.
Rono, it is very shameful for you to accept that.
Today, if you don't fix that glass, I'm going to arrest you or you fix the glass. You think where is going to solve it? You don't know, but you went to break it.
What did happen for you?
Who be this bastard?
What did happen?
Young man, are you okay?
Because of glass. See, that's not what they cry for. We go beat you for you now.
You are going to beat me.
I fear you. You know why? I fear you. So, who be this one?
Yo!
We go, me and my brother, we go beat you, break your glass. You're not going to feed you.
After breaking my glass!
I fear you. Why they shy? Why they cry? Why they cry? They mad. Man, you go beat and break your glass. I fear you. This guy's stupid. Who's stupid glass be down, man?
He broke my Range Rover glass.
Which Range Rover?
Jesus.
What have I done with myself?
My Range Rover glass.
And so, how much your Range Rover glass? Now by Range Rover, how much your Range Rover glass? We go buy a Range Rover glass times 7 for you. I fear you.
You will buy it. You will make sure that you buy my 87 million naira Range Rover glass.
Jehovah, Jesus.
Wait, now a glass of 87 million, now you break, now you stand the back. me, with the cry, I don't know what said. If you idiot, need also.
After having issues with my robot girlfriend, Precious, I came to pass the night with one of my side chicks.
While we were making out and having fun, we heard a noise.
Where's my son? See who's cheating on me with a human. For really? After everything we've been through.
She know you're here.
Why should not be? Maybe robot.
So I cannot have a private time with my own man again, Abi?
It's not like that now.
Then it's like how? Sit down there, it's like how? So robot now is not sharing my mouth with your choir? No problem. Come, let me go and give you doggy. Let's go and have a quickie.
Yeah, now. So I was about to leave when I got attacked by some hoodlums who I refused to give money on traffic.
What did I call? What is going on?
What's up now? Stand where, come.
Hey, leave my man.
At this point I needed Precious the most and she came through for me. At this point, I don't know if I should be proud of her or scared of her.
I don't know why I love him so much. Men has come.
Why haven't you been picking up my calls? I called you 1, 2, 3 times, and you're gonna act like you didn't see my calls, right? Talk to me. I'm talking.
Listen, to you. I saw your call, but I was too busy at that time to pick your call.
Oh, so now you're busy for me, but you have time to talk to other girls, right?
How?
Oh yes. How? That's what you're gonna say. How? Now I'm the crazy one. Meanwhile, you are always the one that's doing the crazy stuff.
Alright, if you move, I shoot her.
Shoot her now.
Like seriously?
What's up, my football lovers? This is a reminder that the Champions League finals between Man City and Inter is on the 10th of this month, and you can stand the chance to win amazing prizes if you bet on that game. All you need to do is log on to 1xBet, use my promo code CBET, and you get 300% bonus on your first deposit.
And if you know what to go for you, pack your load. Me come up for that house. I know to do again. I'm tired of this relationship. You gonna beat me every time I say I'm your servant. I'm your boyfriend for God's sake.
Asasu! If they boy you well again, you see that rubbish when you talk. Talk and make it.
I said I'm not tired for the relationship. I'm fed up.
You dey mad. After many years and my money, when you don't waste, you dey tell me say you no go do again. Asasu, I say you go do.
Jesus, my brain one broke.
Where am? Stay yes, stay yes.
God have mercy upon us.
Black you think it's a joke?
Too many go inside house, go find where you go where, Because tomorrow we go my family house for proper introduction.
It is finished. Let the poor breathe. Don't suffocate them.
So now, so I did wrong for my life. So anywhere you see a toxic relationship, make sure you
Dissolve!
So now my matter, you sit down and use me, they tell all the children.
I forget one part. I don't go meet her again because I be lazy man. I know if you work. Now she dey feed me.
Shut up your mouth.
I dey go wash plate.
Continue running.
Just give me your number now. So. What's wrong with you? I've been talking to you since. Guy, give me your number. I tell you not.
Wow! Hey, bro, sorry. That slap is about 950 million naira. It was invented in 1701 BC. Stop playing.
and it has never been used until 27th of March 2022 by Will Smith on Chris Rock Stop Playing, and now it has been used on this my boy right here, Oluwadolas. Bro, sorry you, Stop Playing. This is the kind of slap you try to avoid. Sorry bro.
I don't want peace, I want problems always.
All eyes on me.
Live life of a boss player, all eyes on me. Live life of a thug nigga till the day I die. Live life of a boss player, it's even getting high. Hey, to my nigga Pac. Live my life as a thug nigga.